check your internet naman. Ay,
Ano
eto na.
naman?
And we
Yan.
are live! Hi, hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon to all of you. And we are coming to you live from different places of the world. I am your host for today. I am Maria from the small island but beautiful Cyprus. Hi! So, this is our first coming back after 6 months of without doing this go live. And actually, this is the Universal Wisdom team. We are coming to you live. We are all the ladies. The other we didn't make it. We didn't manage to come live because some internet connection. But we are here representing our team. I am Maria, and the other ladies is from Cyprus like me, and we have Jeneline from the USA. We are all entrepreneurs, and we are here sharing to you from valuable lesson that we learn from working in the online world. So, okay, our topic that we will discuss for today is how to upgrade lifestyle on online world. That is our topic for today. So, let's start from Renia. The floor is yours.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Remia, also from Cyprus, and I am the mom of two boys. One is special. So, for the upgraded topic for this afternoon, I just want to share to you. From me, let's start comparing yung sa dati na walang digital at sa ngayon na mayroon na. This is the updated from me. Ito na. Kung dati, scroll up, scroll down lang ako pag may time sa FB. Ngayon, hindi na. Because I learned first of all is my personal growth. Then, I am confident now facing in front of camera and I enjoy doing it. This way. I manage my time for my family, for my business, and for my spiritual needs. Example, I learn a lot. When I say a lot, means making educational content, motivation, inspiration, tips, and learn how to research on Google and YouTube, like what our coach always telling us. I discover also many things, and I am so excited sharing my passion to you and to the world because it's not only make us happy, but uh, it it gives inspiration to the others as long as uh, you share the real you, and being a good listener and being careful about words in front of camera is the new thing that I learned because not where we don't have all the same level of understanding in media, especially when we are in front of camera. So we must be careful of our words because sometimes we make it a joke, but the other can take it personal or masasaktan sila. So one thing also, before I don't expect anything in return in terms of income. But now that I have my digital business, I'm always excited because income is unexpectedly coming. So that's my share. Thank you. Back to you, host.
Sis Jeneline.
Hi! So ako na. So hi, my name is Jenny Wangen and I live here in Minnesota, USA. At ano ako, bago lang ako dito sa business na ito, pero ang dami kong mga motivation, ang dami kong natutunan sa life ko na dati, ano ako, caregiver, wife, nagtatrabaho ako sa trabaho ko. Pero ngayon, maganda ah, maganda yung na-experience ko dito kasi yung mga bagay na hindi mo na-experience before, ngayon na-experience mo na. Marami akong natutunan through yung mga sa computer work, tapos yung sa Facebook, yung mga, alam mo na, laman ng computer at saka laman ng Facebook, ang dami ko lang alam doon. So, marami akong natutunan, step by step, yun nga sinasabi, baby step. Pero, I'm so thankful na through our uh, partners, my coach, ang dami niyang nagbibigay talaga siya ng panahon para turuan tayo. So, hindi kayo nag-iisa. So, you have to be confident and continue lang. Huwag lang puso ng push. So, yun na yung motivation mo. Kailangan post lang ng post everyday. Kailangan ng think positive everyday. Ang dami niyong matutunan dito. Kaya ako kahit bago pa lang ako, uh, para sa akin, ang dami ko na natutunan. Pero, I'm still learning every day. So, wala pa ako doon, but I'm still learning every day and I'm gonna be learn more and more. Basta, basta makapag communicate lang and sunod lang ng sunod. So, wala akong masabi pero basta maganda kasi ang dami ko natutunan dito na yung mga trabaho ko na hindi ko nagawa dati sa computer. I don't know how to open up the computer. I don't know how to work on Facebook. Very basic lang talaga lahat. So ngayon, ang dami kong natutunan through our leader talagang nag-guide sa atin. So, back to you, Coach.
I think Ramya, you have to make yourself because without your mind, you cannot generally. So anyway, that was an amazing share to both of the ladies. I just feel so with us in the team that they didn't manage to come. But yeah, on my side, for those who doesn't know yet, I'm a I forgot to tell you, start ladies. I'm a graduate one and I'm working dedicated from the past 16 years as a clerk and I'm originally from the Philippines. And I find this business opportunity way back 2019. But that time I'm so skeptical, like you. For those who are watching right now and who will watch the replay later, I am was I was once as skeptical like you and these two ladies. They are also skeptical from the beginning, but we managed to upgrade our skepticism into seeing the value of working on the online world because we started to upgrade ourselves by taking that action and we take the first step, the second step, and already from the past 3 years I'm getting good commissions and I even upgrade also my income from my clerk work as a cashier. And also these two ladies, they started to get their commission. So it's amazing if you take that first step to upgrade yourself. As Remia mentioned that she learned a lot in this digital business. She upgraded a lot herself in the digital business and also as Jeneline, she get started. But she really find the opportunity to become more successful. Aside that, to add more knowledge in her daily life, also to achieve her goals, also to achieve her dreams, which is really amazing. And the knowledge that we are learning every day. And in our team, we have a different group of mentoring every night, actually for my side, but in the USA, it's every day. So we have different time zones, but we manage to connect all together because we want to learn more and we want to expand more our business to all those who are like us, married with foreigners or expats married with foreigners, but we are increasing our potential through the digital world. So I'm married with Cypriot, and Remy also is married with Cypriot. Remy, generally is married with Americans, right?
Yes.
We, even though we are married with foreigners, some people think that we have a good life. Yes, we are grateful. We have a great life. We have a good life because we married with foreigners. But there are some things that we want to achieve more. Like we want to achieve more from our own resources, being a woman, not just being a wife, but because we are women, we are powerful, we are strong. So we want to build more. We want to increase more our potential. We want to bring more income. We want to bring more money for the family because we have our dreams, right? Like you, maybe if you are Filipino like us, your goal when you went abroad is that to help your family way back home, right? As far as I know, that's what I know also. Once you left your country and you go to another country, your number one dream is to give a better life to your family way back home, right? Especially when you got married. After I got married, I thought my life would be better. Yes, I'm grateful because I am married with Cypriot and I really experienced the life that my husband bring to me. But there is something more that I want to improve. There's something more that I want to achieve. There's a goal that I want to build. And the dreams that I left behind, I want to achieve them more and more and more so that I can help more people all around the world. That is my goal. And yeah, if you are someone like us who are married with foreigner and wants to build your potential in the online world, please connect with us. Our website is just here. Or let's go to Rania. Maybe you want to add more, ladies?
Yes, kung nagtataka kayo at gusto nyo ring maging kagaya namin na maging digital business owner, reach out lang kayo. Nandyan yung aming mga website. Mag-register lang kayo para mapanood nyo yung libreng webinar. Never mind kung hindi kayo on time dahil lagi pong nandyan yung replay. Yan lang po.
Janeline?
The same din. So, mayroon kaming website na nandyan lang sa baba. I-check nyo lang yan para makita nyo kung ano talaga na business mayroon kami para marami kayong matutunan kagaya ng ginawa ko dati. Same thing, kaya nandito ako kasi yan din ang ginawa ko. So, check nyo lang kasi you can learn more about this business. And maybe once that you open it up and you check it out, magkaroon kayo ng interest sa business na to. Ang masasabi ko lang is hindi kayo magsisisi pag nakain kayo. Kasi ako hanggang ngayon, I'm still excited every day. Pag nagising ako sa umaga, kahit anong pagod, I'm still excited. So, kumbaga, there's always, I'm always think positive. Basta, always positive. Basta ang alam ko, it's gonna be good.
Yeah, that's really right. And yeah, I want to add more that hindi nyo, sasabihin nyo siguro, pwede ba ako dito kasi hindi man ako marunong mag-English? Yes, of course. Ako, Ilocano ako. Pwede mong gamitin ang kahit na anong language na ginagamit mo. So, ako, Ilocano ako. No, kaya't mo nga magkaroon kasi Ilocano nga business partners mo, pwede mong gamitin. Hindi pagka Ilocana, makastan niya. Kasi mangkon, Ilocano na dita, ay na, umay kayon, sa kitaan tayo ba ito yung opportunity kasi talaga nga nagmayat si Kuwaga, nagmayat si nakagtao ba yan? Nagmayat si impact na iti naldang diyan tayo kasi si pagsyata na tayo may sa dahil sikot, pwede rin yung ipamana sa mga anak ninyo at sa mga apo ninyo at sa mga anak nila. So ito yung sinasabing generational business na pwede nyong ipamana sa mga sa mga buong angkan ninyo. At higit sa lahat, wala itong tinitignan na kahit anong edad. Bata, matanda, gurang, o bahala ka dyan. Kahit anong edad mo, ito ay para sa'yo. As long na ang unang bala na gagamitin mo is yung pangarap mo at saka itong mindset mo. Kasi, ang pagkakaalam ko sa lahat ng mga successful, ang unang bala nila, ang unang weapon nila is yung mindset nila at saka yung pangarap mo at saka yung determinasyon mo. Diba?
Tama?
So, halika na, aralin natin ito kasi napakaganda. So, meron pa ba kayong gustong idagdag mga mama, mga superpower mama?
Yes, kaya subukan nyo na, no qualification sa mga Ilonggo. Tinood man, hindi ko naintindihan ang gihambal ni coach, pero ako hambalan ko gid sa inyo. Kung kamo tigulang man or bata or bisan niwang kamo tambok, hala, sige, pag-apil kamo dire kay ginatudloan man gani namon ng mga taga-ibang bansa nga iba ang language nila. Kamo pa kaya nga mga kababayan namon, bisan ano pa lengguwahe nyo, basta magbit lang to sa Tagalog, magkaintindihan mo gyapon to siguro. Yan lang.
Masaya si Janeline.
So ako, yung idadagdag ko lang, Ilongga din ako, okay? Kaya lang, nagtagal ako dito, kumbaga pwede ko man ihalo-halo, Ilongga, Bisaya, Filipino, English. Pero kung ano lang ang magawa sa baba ko, so just go for it. Ganun na lang. So if you are speaking a different language or you're speaking your own dialect, okay lang kahit mag-Taglish ka or mag-Tag dialect ka or English dialect or whatever. Kung ano yung mag-work sa iyo, okay lang. Napaka-ano po itong business na ito, napaka-flexible. So, ano dito, basta maganda. Ako, hindi talaga ako nagsisi na nag-join ako dito kasi ang dami kong natutunan. So, meron akong idadagdag. So, ako kasi, ang tagal ko nang mag-isip na mag-aral ako, kaya lang nakita ko tong business na to. So, why not to join with this business? Kasi kung mag-aaral ako, I have to spend money na mag-aantay pa ako ng ilang taon bago ako makapag-pursue na tumaas yung aking salary, something ganyan. So ako inaisip ko ito, sabi ko, why not? Ang ganda naman ng business nito. So I'm learning but also I'm making some extra income. So why not to pursue and go ahead and join with this business and kind of learn more about this. So nung nag-join ako dito, ang dami kong na-discover dito. Kaya kayo mag-check lang kayo doon sa website namin. Kung may mga website kami dyan sa baba, makikita nyo. I-check nyo lang, mag-learn kayo kasi it's important to learn about this business. Kasi pag hindi nyo na-open yan, hindi nyo alam kung anong klaseng business meron kami, kung ano yung mga steps na gagawin. So, once na nakikita nyo yan, alam nyo, masasabi ko sa inyo, sasabihin nyo, I want more. I want more. I want to learn more. So, yan ang ano ko sa akin. Pag nakita ko to, nang inopen ko yung learn link. So, nung inopen ko to, basta nung tiningnan ko, basta ako, parang gusto ko, yung tingnan ko na lang, panoorin ko na lang. Kasi, you learn the very, what do you call this, very excited and yung experience na natutunan mo, talagang kakaiba. Wala sa trabaho to na tinatrabaho natin daily, malayo. So, ito, para ka rin nag-aral, pero you know that you're generating income one of this day.
Job well done. That is, in short, I call that curiosity. Be curious like a baby. Because if you are
Right.
not curious, you won't learn anything. You won't increase your potential. Right? And I have one last question, ladies. This is just a 3 minutes question for you to answer before we end up our video. What is the opposite of success? Bring it on, Remya. Opposite of success.
Failure.
The opposite of access.
Success.
Failure.
Oo, yung failure.
Wrong. You're both wrong. Listen, the opposite of success is fear. Fear.
Oh.
Yung mga takot, yan ang opposite ng success. Kung takot kayo palagi, paano kayo maging success?
Tama.
Okay. If you love yourself, if you upgrade yourself, if you just check on it, yourself, the potential of yourself, then it becomes successful. But if you remain in your fear, you will never become successful.
Tama.
Okay.
That's a very good point, Coach.
Thank you so much for those who are watching and for those who will watch the video later. Thank you so much. And I just love to mention our watcher. Aymar, amazing said. This is Mama from Texas. No, thank you so much, Abby, for watching. And thank you so much for recommending us. Thank you so much. We are just so grateful for watching our live and for the second episode. Bye for now. Have a wonderful day.
Bye. Thank you for watching.